Home Sweet Home in Caldwell, a quality-built 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on 26 acres with open floor plan kitchen, dining, living area with natural gas ventless heater. Granite countertop on white easy close cabinetry. Huge windows allows lots of natural light. Recessed lighting, maple hardwood floors and stainless steel kitchen appliances convey. This home includes architect shingles, covered front porch and large rear deck. Natural gas Generac generator conveys, 12 by 20 outbuilding and raised garden beds. Sit on your porch listening to the babbling streams flowing peacefully and the wildlife passing through. Property also features a small pond. An additional adjoining 20 acres with a building site with 360 views is also available. See listing.